What is up, everybody? This is Baxter. I'm the website owner over at carwashcountry.com. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for checking it out. I'm here to give you auto detailing tips to help you grow your auto detailing business. If you're new to auto detailing, you're not even sure what it really is, this is really the channel where I explain how to really wash and detail your vehicle professionally. So if you're just in the driveway on Saturdays, like I grew up doing, I really want to help to expand your knowledge, to give you some tips to really give you better results. So that's what this channel is all about. So if you're interested in videos like this, be sure to hit subscribe, as well as check out a bunch of free content I have at carwashcountry.com. So check that out. But today we're going to be talking about 5 little things that you can do to impress your customers as a detailer. So the first thing I want to talk about is giveaways. If you're like me, I've got about 17,000 useless pins that I've picked up at dental offices, doctor's offices, just about anywhere, banks that have contact information and phone numbers, but it's not something I really want to use. You know, I get these things, I throw them away, or I put them somewhere in the junk drawer. You want to make sure whatever you give away, customers are going to look at. You know, like this Mountain Dew can makes me want another Mountain Dew. You know, something useful like this. I'm going to drink this almost every day. You know this, Mountain Dew. Sponsor this video.
I tried this one chili and it set my mouth on fire and I had to drink a 2-liter of Mountain Dew.
But seriously, just make sure it's something good. Maybe it's a water bottle, maybe it's an air freshener, maybe it's a high quality, I don't know, coffee mug that's got your logo and your contact information on it. You don't have to go crazy, you don't have to spend too much money, but just make sure that whatever you're giving away, people will use. So that's number 1, it's just a free giveaway. You can leave this behind in somebody's vehicle after you're done. That's a great way to do it. The second thing is backing into somebody's garage or parking space. This is actually a tip that I picked up over at Ammo NYC. Shout out to Larry. He's a great resource in this community. So be sure to check out his channel as well. But when you're backing into somebody's parking space or somebody's garage, it's just one of those small things that people will notice. It just communicates to them that you care enough to, you know, back in. So all they have to do is just pull right out. A lot of people will notice this. So that's just something that you can add to your process of detailing a vehicle. Number 3 is offering free services for new customers. So if you have a brand new customer, maybe they have gone with your exterior detailing package and you have their keys, you're in the parking lot, maybe just call them up and just say, hey, is it okay if I also give you a free interior detail as well? 99% of the time, they're gonna be, you know, crazy happy about it. Everybody likes something for free, and this can really help to build that loyalty. I just think this is a great idea, especially if you're looking to build a customer base from nothing. You obviously don't wanna do this all the time. It can kind of get out of hand if people come to expect free stuff, but do it for new customers. That'll really help build that loyalty. Number 4 is offering discounts on different services throughout the year. I receive a bunch of emails from different auto detailing companies in my area where they are constantly offering me 15% off. They are, you know, giving me 20% off for certain holidays. And this is a great strategy if you have an email list. I think email is a great channel for giving people discounts or, you know, coupons. You don't necessarily have to have a database of customers, but if you are interested in really building that database, I have a blog post I wrote, carwashcountry.com/email will take you right to it, and that'll just outline everything that I know about building an email list. I've been in email marketing now for about 5 years, so I really wanted to write a post that really explains everything that I know to do to really organize all your contacts. You want a customer relationship management database or a CRM software. I like HubSpot because it has a lot of those marketing capabilities as well. It's really a marketing tool, so you can really build a profile for every customer. You know, if you have a customer that, you know, maybe they order a basic exterior package every 2 months and it's been 4 months. Maybe you can send them a coupon code straight to their inbox, and that can generate a sale for you that you may not have generated on your own by him just calling you up. So email is very powerful. Discounts and promos around different holidays obviously work as well. So that's number 4. The last tip on the list This is something that you probably have seen a time or two in your life, and that's just a paper floor mat. You can pick these up online, you know, $500 to $1,000. It ends up costing you about a penny per floor mat. I think it's a great investment, especially if you have your logo, your contact information, and everything on there. Whenever somebody opens up the door, even if they didn't purchase your interior package, you know, throw away their garbage, maybe vacuum out the floorboard or something like that. Leave behind a floor mat. It really helps to establish your brand and set you apart from all the other detailers out there. So those are my 5 tips for impressing your customers as a detailer. Just 5 little things that you can do. What other things do you do to really go the extra mile? Leave a comment below. Would love to hear some of these other tips as well. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I've got a bunch of other videos like this that can really help you grow your business and your detailing ability. So until next time, hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you in the next video.